I built a trading system. I call it Momentum Swing Score. I know it works. This channel is my public proof. Every trade documented live from entry to exit. No editing history, no hidden losses, just the record. Watch me prove it and you will be the witness. Everything in this channel, educational purposes only, paper trading, not financial advice. Please always do your own research. Okay, this morning I went back into Intuitive Surgical, ISRG. Same stock I traded before and I made approximately $3,800. My momentum swing score 73 out of 100. I was planning to enter this stock this morning approximately $337. However, stock gap up this morning, but I still get in and purchased this stock at $351.89. Let me show you why and what does it mean for the trade. Before I do that, I would like to quickly remind you my quick proof record. 35 trade close, 34 win and 97% win rate, approximately $72,000 paper trade profit. So here is the a kind of honest opinion, because when the stock gaps up this morning, my actually risk and reward ratio has changed a little bit. And same thing happened in the meta a few weeks ago. Gap up and I still bought the stock. And that system delivered 7.44% paper trade profit in the meta trading. So why enter this trade this morning? Because my momentum swing score is 73. Meaning that ISRG has a 73% chance to go higher. The direction is still very strong. Intuitive Surgical is world leader robotic surgery. Their system, Da Vinci system, operating over 175 countries and very strong revenue. And also technically, it's a perfect time to getting the stock. So my momentum swing score, as I said, 73, above my 70 buy threshold. Last time when I score ISRG, my system perfectly worked and brought me $3,800 paper trade profit. You can see it here. I exited July 6 at $433.55 and it's brought me, as I said, $38 paper trade profit. And this time again, I trust my system and I purchased this stock this morning. So quickly, here is my game plan. As I said, the stock is gap up this morning and it still continue moving upwards. This is fantastic. So my system recorded and identify the moving stock again. And I actually prepared the pre-entry video Saturday. If you didn't watch it, please watch it. So currently I purchased this stock $351.89. So this time, because the gap up, my first price target actually is a little bit of change. It was a 357. Right now I am exceeding that number. I'm watching closely and actually my right now second price target, which is 367. We're gonna watch very closely, and if I reach that level, approximately 5% paper trade profit I will be targeting. So if it breaks here, so we may go up to maybe $396. So I will be watching this stock within this week. So also, if the stock turn back and start going dive in, so my DCA area will be around $308. If stock goes hit that level, I will purchase more share to lower my cost, and approximately $300 or $298, it will be my exit point, stop loss. If stock is hitting $300 or $298, I will exit immediately. So quick question for you. Gap up opening, would you have still enter or wait for the pullback? Please drop your answer below and I will reply every comment. So this is a proof record, the real decisions, not just the perfect ones. Gap up changed a little bit my risk and reward ratio, but so far I am going up and I can show you how much right now we are making with this trade. ISRG again already almost 2% up. Very good result. For in this channel, 34 wins from 35 close trades. You are the witness. Please subscribe to follow this trade and also my rest of the open trades. I have right now 6 trades open. I also exited one of the Accenture this morning as well. Also, I'm going to prepare that video very shortly. No hype here, no promises, just the system and the proof. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.